This looks like the beginning of a horror movie. We gotta get ourselves in focus here. Okay, this is a video of my top tips on making a video. Number one is consistency. That's something I struggle with. You gotta be consistent. You gotta consistently work at your craft, work at what you like to do. You gotta consistently upload videos. And that...
Wait, step over to the left a tiny bit.
My left or your left?
I'm sorry.
Right.
Or a little bit more. Not that much, not that far.
Back?
Yeah, maybe like this.
Doing it over and over and over again, uploading, creating a video, uploading, whether weekly, bi-weekly, 3 times a week, once a month, once every 2 weeks, as long as you're consistent. You can go online to the YouTube studios, YouTube creator studios, and there's online tutorials on how to make a video, how to edit, how to design a story, how to storyboard, what's good content, how to reach an audience. There's all this material there. All you got to do is take the tutorials, and it's really easy. It's got a quiz. You know, you just go through it and you learn. And YouTube's set up in a way that if you follow the steps and if you do something that you're passionate about, that you'll be able to build a niche audience. You have the creator studio, but you also have the community. You can go and post and see if, looking for collabs and see if there's people that want to collab with you, or you can ask for advice or just different things. Just go on the forums there and you can check it out and learn. Don't get stuck in your head. We try all these different angles, try all this different stuff, and like add more light, take away light, add smoke, add this. And really what it gets down to is you just gotta shoot it, and if you don't like it, redo it. But there's a point where you'll never meet your expectation in your head, so you just gotta do it, live with it, move on, learn from it, get better at it, and just keep going. This is what I struggle with the most. Like, I've been planning this video in my head, not actually planning it, but just thinking about it, and thinking about it doesn't get anything done, but just get out of your head. You can think of the shots, you can think of the idea, you can think of anything and everything that could go wrong. But if you don't do it, if you don't put it to paper, then you won't learn, you won't grow. You can't learn from mistakes that you made in your head. When you're stuck in your head, there's always an excuse that I need this to shoot, I need this camera, I need this, or like I've shot videos on, you know, the S7, the iPhone, you know, GoPro, I've shot on Red, I've shot on Canon, on the Sony A7S, I've used tons of different lenses. Really, it just comes down to, what do you have? What can you shoot with? If I have only a phone, or if I only have a, you know, a camcorder, just start on that. Learn that. It doesn't help, like, this is what I noticed when I was in film school. Yeah, I have access to all these Red cameras, but the setup, the takedown time, how big and bulky it was, it didn't really make sense for just a one-person film, or if you have a small crew. It's better to use what you have and know how to use it, whereas trying to get a bigger and better thing that you have no clue about. And granted, you learn stuff over time as you use it, but if you're just starting out, just start with what you have and use it. You gotta plan, you gotta have some sort of idea, and then you gotta take that and you gotta put it on paper. Even if it's just like a couple words, I'm gonna make a video about a squirrel or something like that. Something to give you a starting point. Like for this video, I just had points written down. You know, my 5th tip would be have fun. When I was trying to do YouTube through school, I had a schedule, I had videos listed probably for about 3 months that I was gonna do and shoot. And I ended up never doing them because I wasn't excited about the videos, and I was stressing myself out. I wasn't having fun, I wasn't enjoying it. No one's making me make videos. No one is making me edit. That's the trap I would find myself falling into, is that, oh, I have to shoot this. I don't have to shoot it. No one's forcing me. I don't have to shoot it. I don't have to edit. I get to shoot it. I get to edit it. You're doing it for yourself. You're not doing it for anyone else at first. You're creating stuff that you enjoy. Stuff that you have fun. I shoot something, I can't wait to go edit it because I want to see it come together. I want to see my final project, learn from it, and move on and make greater things. And I guess my final parting tip would be just be yourself. Just by the experiences, how you see things, how you see the world, what you shoot, what you see is going to be completely different than what someone else does. It may take some time to figure out what your voice is, or to become confident with your voice. And that's a huge thing, is becoming confident, because you're like, no one else out there is doing this, and I'm afraid that if I do this, then I won't get views, or everyone will laugh at me. And it's like, forget it, just do it. See you guys in the next one.
Okay. Oh, what? That's a book? I thought that was you're gonna go.
No, it's a book.
You can just be like, action.
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 That's my thumbnail. I'm doing my thumbnail.
Wait. Raise it up a little bit more. Okay, nice. You should have some footage there for the...
Just the screen.
Oh, this looks good. Yeah, come check it out.